Good afternoon, dear colleagues. I'm very glad to be here. Thank you very much for invitation. As you know, SCOR is since many years active in the Romanian market, and of course we had in the past also many Romanian MTPL treaties in force.
No, it does work.
Okay. Unfortunately,
No, now it doesn't.
no, not really. Hello? No.
Ăla e oprit, Mihai.
Eins.
Nu, n-are legătură. Nu, merg mai mult deodată. Merg mai mult deodată.
So as you know, we were on many MTPL treaties in Romania, and since many years underwritten this business. Unfortunately, a couple of years ago, this line of business became very unpredictable and also unprofitable. And we have tried to promote a number of measures to improve the legal situation on the Romanian market. Unfortunately, until today, we didn't see any, let's say, huge improvements. So if the colleagues could show the slide with recommendations of SCOR, which we sent officially also to authorities in Romania. So I would, yes, thank you. So first of all, there shall be more regulating assistance from a legal and supervisory side, because although we are in, let's say, in the market, we think that many things shall be regulated by the authorities and by the state. And unfortunately, as we see now, combined ratio for MTPL business in Romania, which is above 120%, of course, it's not good for anybody, not for insurance companies, not for reinsurance companies. And now the consumers are starting also struggling, since the rate increase is very fast and very strong. And one of the next measure would be also to provide some guidance to judges and courts with precise instructions how to deal with MTPL losses for bodily injury and for moral damages, because this would be clear rules for the game, and it will be more predictable to access the claim and to handle this. Moral damages became also very unpredictable in the last years, and as underwriter with SCOR, we saw many exceptional cases with very, very high sums, above 1 million, 2 million, 3 million euro per claim, which is, of course, it was out of the sudden, and nobody could expect such big compensations. Of course, not many of them have been finalized, but you know, if you see this in the claim advice, you need to make a reserve. And of course, the management of the company is asking what is going on in Romania, why so many claims, and what is the reason for this. This is why we also strongly recommend to have some kind of table or guidance to evaluate moral damages and to handle it in courts. Speed of loss reporting shall be also improved because it's also very important to handle the claims fast. It will also help to have the costs on the low side. And the last point, what I would like to mention, we think that lawyers' fees shall be also regulated or restricted. Because it's not only a Romanian problem, we see it also in the UK, in other countries of the western part of the EU, where the lawyers try to chase the clients. They go to the hospitals, they call police departments and so on, and trying to do good business on this. And finally, while talking to the clients this year in Brasov, also to hearing my colleagues here, I see at least that there are some perceptions to improve the situation, which is of course very nice and important. And we hope that this or some other improvements will be introduced very fast, and we would be also very glad to write Romanian MTPL business again and to expand our cooperation with the citizens here. Thank you very much.